now this is our cheese. Oh, we've got it whippers. Now we'll open it and wait. We opened it and we'll. Oh, it's total the type of ice. Nothing. It's almost like that. Now we'll spread it like this. And spread the cheese. Okay, so we have spread our cheese here. Now our work is to do is what that spread cheese on all the Monacos. Okay. You spread. Now we like this, we'll spread all the Monacos. So guys, I sprayed the cheese all over the Monaco. Now I will place these paneers on top of it. So let's do it. Now our work is to put the veggies on top of it. Yeah. Now we have to cut one more piece of the cucumber. So guys, our Monaco is ready. So for a little bit of just yumminess adding, we'll add some chaat masala. So our dish is ready. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and videos. And if you try it once, you will just lick your hands. You can eat it and also give it to your family members. Thank you. Bye bye.